Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get a good time in speed stars step by step. Begin by memorizing the track flow and key breaking markers, then split the course into manageable segments to practice repeatedly. Refine your racing line, tune boost usage for each straight, and aim for consistent exits. Use replays to compare runs and focus on reducing small errors for steady lap time gains. Optimize your car setup to match the demands of each circuit by tweaking gearing, downforce, and suspension progressively. Start with moderate downforce for balance, then adapt to prioritize top speed or cornering grip as needed. Test one change at a time and record lap effects so you know what improves times. Consistent incremental adjustments yield predictable gains and make driving more confident and repeatable. In this video, I will explain how to get a good time in speed stars step by step. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding this helpful, and consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading guides and taking notes on the go. I find it handy between practice sessions, and it pairs well with strategy work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Refine driving technique by focusing on apex precision, smooth steering, and controlled throttle application. Brake earlier for stability, then trail brake into corners to tighten your line and improve exit speed. Stagger boosts to coincide with clean straights after corners rather than mid-corner. Practice maintaining consistent lap rhythm and avoid risky maneuvers that cost time. Repetition builds muscle memory and confidence for faster, more reliable runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.